In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your inner fender liner on your Subaru Forester. It's located behind your wheel. I'm going to use a 19mm socket to take the wheel off. You want to make sure the wheel doesn't fall off, so just keep a hand on it while you take that last one. We are going to undo all these plastic grommets, fasteners, first to get the inner fender liner out. We'll start over here. I typically like to have a container handy to catch all of them. I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver to get them started and then get a trim tool in there. A lot of times these do end up not cooperating or breaking, so it's good to have backups. Plastic doesn't last forever. All right, so once you get it started, you can pull it out. And don't forget these underneath. And there's another piece here that's attached to the fender. And there is a bolt. All right, so now we can start taking out our wheel well liner. Just be mindful of your ABS sensor. Don't be whacking that because that'll break it. All right, here we are. We're going to put our fender liner in. Start from over here first. Again, be mindful not to hit that wire, ABS wire. All right, once you get it on this side, you can start pushing your way up. All right, so I'm going to put one of these plastic grommets in to try to hold it in place as I work my way towards the back of the vehicle. All right, now you're going to want a trim tool. Try to get it under that lip in the wheel well. Okay. Once you get that far, you can start adding clips to help secure it in place. So now I'm going to start working my way. All right, so you're going to want to line up this one first. And then we're going to get our grommet here and put our screw up in there. All right, so we are going to put our grommet in this one. All right, so now we're going to work our way over here, same way we did before, using our trim tool. Screw these in. Reinstall your front wheel. You're going to start the lug nuts by hand. You're going to snug it up, bottom one first, walk the wheel on. Snug them up, and then it's 89 foot-pounds to torque it. We're going to torque our wheels to 89 foot-pounds in a star-like pattern. I usually make sure I go one time around, one more time. Make sure I got them all.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.